Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today's layout I am doing for 3 pages, 3 prompts, 3 pages, sorry. And the prompts we had to use were a 10-inch green circle, which I have there, a gnome embellishment, which I have this cute little gnome that was part of a swap. It was made by Sharon Bishop. She had 4-leaf clovers here and here, which I took off because they don't really suit the page. It's not a like St. Patrick's theme page. So I am using the gnome though in that St. Patrick's Day lucky type of theme, and that's my heading is going to be lucky. So I am using that vibe, but I took off the clovers. And then the third prompt is wood veneer, and I have a heart here and a wood veneer butterfly and some stuff here in my pile of embellishments. So I'm going to speed this one up. There's not a lot to explain. It's purely just spritzing the paper, distressing the edge of the circle with my Heidi swap. This is so old, edge distresser. Don't know if you can get these, but I know Tim Holtz and others have these out. And then inking the edge of the circle, and then just placing my embellishments down. The majority of the embellishments I am using are from 49 and Market. It is the Birdsong, well, I don't know. It's Birdsong chipboard mixed set is what the packet is, but it was part of a bag that I got from a charity shop. So it had chipboard as well as lots of these vellum pieces or vinyl pieces, plastic, whatever they are, acetate, that's the word. So I don't know whether they came in the original set or not, but they were in the packet. And I've got some other odd embellishments here as well that I might need to pull in. So they are there if I need them. The ones I'm using I have put here in a little pile. I've sort of worked out what I'd like to put on the page and sort of where everything goes. So I'm going to get on with it now and speed you up, and I'll be back at the end. Enjoy. Okay, there is my completed layout. So I added Nuvo crystal drops in gold, I think it is, bright gold at the end as my finishing touch. I actually had them on my desk from a previous layout, and I didn't think to get anything as my finishing touches when I was working out what I was going to use on the page. That's the story of my life. I do it all the time. So I used these. These are still on my desk from the other day. Went brilliant. They all work. The C in the Lucky looks like an E to me, but that is actually the C. So if it worries me enough and I don't like it, or I show it to the family and they go, what is Lukey, because they don't see it as a C, then there's a little C that I might be able to use. So yeah, but that's what the C was meant to be, so that's what I've used. I love the little gnome. He doesn't match the aesthetic for the rest of the page, but I'm going to leave him there because I don't know what else I would use him on anyway, but I do love him. So I just popped in his hand, instead of the clovers, I used some wood veneer in each hand, and then he's holding them like a bunch with a heart. That's sort of the thinking there. And then the rest was just sticking down the embellishments and the vellum. And I don't know these acetate if they're double-sided. I did try and take the backing off if there's a backing. Tried all the tricks I knew and nothing happened. So I don't know whether they are actually a sticker. Please let me know if you know. But I just used a little bit of tape to hold them in place. And there's only one spot it's noticeable, which is here. So I may have to think of something else I can put there to cover that. I don't know, maybe a gold heart, but I think that might be out of place. So really, in the scheme of things, I don't think it's that important. So I was just looking through my tray here if there's anything else obvious that I could put there. Maybe a acetate butterfly, but that also is going to, that's a bit big. And this one, maybe I'm going to have the same problem because it's going to have to go underneath, so you don't see the acetate. No, I'm just going to leave it, I think, and we'll see. I'll sit that there and think about it. Alright, so anyway, that is my page, and if you have liked this page, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.